Welcome back to the channel. So today you're joining us for a very special unboxing of our FK8 sequential gearbox back from service at Quaife. Okay, so this gearbox is previously known to us. It came from a customer's car that we purchased last year. The car is a very good build. It's a car that we've put together, and it was also running this sequential box. Now, the customer's having a little bit of trouble not using a clutch while under full acceleration and just pulling on the gear stick. When he would go to use the clutch at like 7,000 RPM, it would then smash the gears against each other and created damage and wear inside the gearbox. After doing that twice and 2 heavy repair bills, we came to an agreement where we would take on the car and develop it that little bit further. So in the service that it's had back at Quaife, we've now opted for pneumatic paddle shifting and straight cut gears. It's a slightly different gearbox from what was there before, but we're going to then add some other features to the car. We can link the paddle shifting in with our Cybex that we've currently got on the car as well, and get full control over those quick gear changes. So that's the gearbox refitted into the car, and we've had to kick it out of the workshop now so we can get on with some of our day-to-day work. But we've left the car in a condition where we've effectively just waiting to plumb in the hoses, so that's from the pump up to the accumulator unit and then onwards up to the solenoids. And then from there I'll then look at the wiring, so that's then wiring of all those parts back into the Cybex to get the integration. So if you've got any questions, please leave them in the comments below. We'd love to know what you think. And remember, if you want to stay up to speed with the build, please hit the like, share and subscribe buttons, and we'll see you in the next video.